question, Jason. He says, if nothing died until sin entered the world, how about plants that were eaten by Adam and Eve? Didn't those die?
Well, it's interesting because biblically plants are not considered living. So they can't literally die because they're not literally alive to begin with. They just get recycled. Plants biblically are food. The Bible uses a special term in Hebrew, nefesh kai, living creature. And that's applied to human beings and it's applied to animals. It's never applied to plants. Plants are never referred to as nefesh kai, living creatures. Now, in modern biological classification, plants are classified as living, and that's fine. It's the same kind of thing. It's using different conventions by which we define life. So now you can talk about a dead tree in the same way you can talk about a dead battery, but it's not really alive to begin with. And that doesn't work in the UK, does it? Because you call batteries flat when they go bad. Am I right about that?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, in America, we say the battery's dead when it no longer has to be charged. And of course, it's not really alive to begin with. That's my point. And it's the same way with plants. Plants are not alive in the same way that we are. So yes, you can have a plant cycle before death entered the world because plants are not literally alive and therefore they don't literally die. They just get recycled. They're food, self-replicating food. Pretty clever God that we serve.
The Psalms and the prophetic literature describe them as withering and fading, but never really dying.
Mm-hmm. And Job laments that man is not like that, because a plant, when it appears dead, you put a little water, and Job laments that man is not like that. When man dies, that's it. So it's very different. Plants are in a different category than animals and human beings.